In this episode, we'll take a walk on Kalakaua Boulevard. We'll get there by going on the beach to Outrigger Reef, and then climb Leeward Street to Kalakaua, where you go east. We'll go up to the Duke statue where the posh area of the avenue ends. Next is Diamond Head, the caldera of an extinct volcano, but that remains for another episode. First, let's take the morning coffee on the balcony overlooking the beach. We are now visiting the International Market Center, a newly built mall replacing an old scenic square where you could try your luck looking for pearls in the oysters. The original market has completely disappeared, apart from the trees that have been integrated into the new building. Everything is very expensive here, reason the shops and restaurants are a bit empty. The episode ends at a huge banyan tree near the Duke statue. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share the link.